Oh hi! I'm so in the holiday mood and I cannot wait for Christmas. I really love this time of the year and I really love the recipes that I can make this time of the year. I also hope that you're excited because I have prepared a set of 4 great recipes for you. All of these are really simple and easy to make, but they all taste absolutely amazing. They're great for the holidays and I hope you will like all of them. Today we are starting with the first one, and that's going to be an orange chicken recipe. It's a delicious alternative to turkey, so if you don't want to bake the big turkey for for your family, if you are a small family, or if it's just the 2 of you, or if you just have some other options as well and you just don't want a big turkey. So this is a great option, or this is a great alternative to the traditional turkey and ham. The chicken has a really delicious citrus glaze and I hope you will enjoy this recipe as much as I did. First you want to prepare the glaze for the chicken, and for that you want to melt the butter. Once all of the butter has melted, you want to add in the brown sugar. You want to keep the heat on medium and mix in the sugar. So once it's starting to turn caramel-like you can see here, you can add in the orange or mandarin juice and you want to strain that in. And then we're also going to mix it in. And then you just want to simmer it on low so that it starts to reduce a little and it forms this beautiful and really flavorful glaze for the chicken. So just allow it to simmer on low. Mine is gone a bit high now. I just reduced the heat and so that it goes to low simmer. So just simmer it on low for 5 to 10 minutes so that it kind of starts to reduce, and then you can remove it from heat and leave aside. And now while my glaze is bubbling, I'm going to prepare the chicken. So first I'm gonna lay the orange slices into my baking dish. And I also want to add some rosemary to give some flavor. I'm not going to add any rosemary into the chicken so that it doesn't overpower, as I want to use thyme for that, but I want to add a little bit of that rosemary in as well. Then I have my chicken ready here and I just want to salt it from all sides. I've added in the dried cranberries and now I also want to add in some orange slices. And then I also have some lemon thyme that I also want to add inside. So then I have my dish ready here for the chicken. I'm just gonna add the chicken there, and here you could close the legs if you want, but I'm gonna leave them like this. Then I also had some more leftover orange, so I'm just gonna add 2 slices here and then 1 at the top. And then because I also had some leftover thyme, I want to add that also around here to kind of get that flavor on top as well, or on the skin. And then also I want to add just a little bit of salt on top, just a last seasoning. Now it's gonna go into the oven for 1 hour, and then after that I will start adding the glaze on top. So the glaze is ready now. You can see it's reduced quite a bit, and now I'm just gonna leave it aside until I will need it to glaze the chicken. Then you want to remove the chicken from the oven, and you can directly transfer it into a serving plate. However, what you want to do is to allow it to rest. So we are just going to remove it from here onto the serving plate. And then what I want to do is I want to use the beautiful oranges that are here for decorating my plate. And also I want to use the liquid, reduce it, and glaze the chicken one more time. So what do you think? Would you make this as an alternative to that traditional turkey or ham for the holiday seasons? Let me know in the comments below. I know we really enjoyed it when I was making the recipe and filming it for you. And I think this is something I am going to stick with because I really enjoyed it, and why look for something else when you really liked something? So I know I'm going to make this for Christmas, and I know we are really going to enjoy it again. And as I said at the start, it's a 4 recipes series. So the next one is coming soon, and that one will be for roasted smashed potatoes. They're super crispy on the outside and really soft on the inside. So it's time to get excited for that. If you enjoyed watching this video and if you like this recipe, then don't forget that thumbs up so I also know that you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, you can find the subscribe button over there. You can subscribe, and if you tap the bell, and this is also to all of the old subscribers, if you don't want to miss any of the new recipes like the roasted smashed potatoes recipe, you want to tap the bell and you will be notified when the new recipe comes out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.